After downloading this add-on and PDF for WordPress, you need to upload and install on your WordPress website. For this, come to your WordPress website and go to plugins and then add new. Click on upload plugin. Browse from your computer, select PDF for WordPress and click open and then install. Do the same process for Elementor PDF for WordPress add-on. I already have these two plugins installed on my WordPress website. That is why I'm not installing it anymore. So let's go with the process. After installing PDF for WordPress, here is an interesting tip. You can see there is a PDF Viewer tab, and from that tab you need to activate this plugin. Go to Activation and Updates, and there will be a field where you need to put your purchase key. After you put your purchase key, the plugin will be activated or registered. Thank you.